Hey guys, in this video we're going to be covering riveting multiple pieces of metal together. Let's get started. First, take your finished top layer of metal and indent holes for the drill bit to go into. Line up your drill bit with your indents and then you're ready to drill out all of the holes on your first top layer. You'll notice that I didn't drill any holes in my bottom layer yet. Use the top layer of metal to mark through the holes to mark where the holes on the bottom layer will be. Now it's time to drill out just one hole on the bottom layer of your metal. At this point, you'll notice that there are some burrs on the backside of your metal from the drilling, so take some time and file off those burrs with file. Remember, the files only work in one direction, going away from you. For a 1.61 millimeter drill bit, which is in our drill press, you'll need to use 14 gauge wire. Taper the end of the wire with a file. If you don't taper the end of your wire, you will end up with your wire not being able to fit into your rivet holes. If you taper your wire too much, you'll end up with loose wire and it won't be secure in your rivet. Line up your holes where you'd like your first rivet to be. Fit your tapered wire through the matching holes until it fits in there snug. When using your wire cutters, you always want to use the flat side of your wire cutters facing the metal. This will give you a nice flat edge on your wire. For safety, you always want to wear safety glasses while you're cutting wire and always cut down and away from you. There should be about 1 millimeter of wire sticking out from your hole on either side of your metal. Now you're ready to set your first rivet. I always use a riveting hammer, which is the smallest hammer, and either a mini anvil or a bench block. You just want to make light tapping motions on your metal. Hammering too hard will result in smashed rivets. Once you have your first rivet set, you're only going to drill the hole opposite from the first rivet. It's very important that you don't drill out all of your holes yet, because in the process of setting your second rivet, things may shift. At this point, you can repeat the process for setting your rivet and set your second rivet. Make sure that you're flipping your metal over and hammering the opposite side of the rivet every couple hammer strokes. Now that you have 2 rivets set, you know that your metal isn't going to move anywhere, so you're good to drill out the rest of the holes in the back layer of metal. At this point, you can use the same process we used before to set your remaining rivets. Your finished product should have nice uniform rivets. That's it. Thanks for watching.